Hi, I thought I'd do a quick instruction video about how to play an interesting fingerstyle that I learned when I was a teenager, and basically I've used it for years. It's a really good one, good 4/4 pattern that you can use in loads of different situations. I've always called it the claw hammer. There are different versions of this, but this one I find particularly useful. Basically, it's a 4-string pattern. Now you can play it on any chord, and all you decide is which 4 strings you're going to use. Now I'm going to show you using a D chord, because with the D chord you're obviously just using the top 4 strings with your root on the D. If I just play a little bit and let you hear what it sounds like. So basically, if I start slowly, and then obviously you can add in so you can change your root for different chords. So for the D, I'd use maybe the top 4 strings. For an A, where your root is on the 5th string, you could use either your 4 middle strings or your root and your top 3. For a chord where your root is on the bottom, maybe a G chord, you could use your root on the bottom and these 3 middle strings, or the top 3 strings. So I'm going to go to close up now and show you the pattern slowly and clearly just on this hand. Okay, so here's my outside pair, here's my inside pair. So I've got my thumb playing these 2 strings, my second finger playing the top string, my first finger playing this one. So I'm going to play my outside pair together, my inside pair separately, my outside pair separately, and my inside pair separately. So I've got together, inside, outside, inside. Remembering that when I count, I'm thinking 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So together, inside, outside, inside. So the important thing is, I'm always starting with my second finger, so I've got this walking motion. So once you've got that going round and round in a circle, nice and in a nice relaxed way, what you can then do is try it on different chords. And you can also play 2 chords to a bar. For example, if I played, so all I'm doing there is playing the same pattern, but the first half on the first chord and the second half, oops, on the second chord. So if I speed that up a little bit, practice that round and round. Doesn't matter what chord you use, but probably a good idea to start with 1 chord. Just practice the pattern so you can concentrate on this hand. Once you've got the pattern and it feels automatic, then you can, the same with any strumming pattern or anything, you're trying to get this hand to be to go automatically. Basically, most guitar playing is muscle memory, and this is a really good example of that. Have a go at that, see how you get on. Cheers.